Further, we have to now discuss about the difference between efficient and responsive supply chains. The primary goal of an efficient supply chain is to bring down the cost in the supply chain. Whereas in the responsive supply chain, a delivery has to be very quick and they have to give the quick response to the customer orders. Thus, the product design a firm is doing in case of efficient supply chain always looks for how do we bring down the product cost. Whereas in a responsive supply chain, modularity to allow the postponement is allowed. Now, coming back to the pricing strategies, as we are reducing the cost in the supply chain, the margin that people get in the supply chain is very, very low. In case of the responsiveness, we are passing that cost to the customer. We are charging premium. Therefore, in a responsive supply chain, the margins are very high. In case of a manufacturing strategy, in an efficient supply chain, they always try to use maximum capacity. Therefore, they can bring down the cost. Whereas in a responsive supply chain, there is a flexibility in the capacity. One can produce 100 today, 200 today, next day 50. So there is a flexibility in the capacity utilizations. In case of efficient supply chain, always the firm works on how do we keep the inventory very low because they would like to bring the cost down. In case of the responsiveness, inventory cost is not a big issue because they would like to fulfill the customer needs very quickly. Therefore, they would like to go for higher inventories. Then lead time between the efficient supply chain is reduced, but not at the cost of expenses. But in case of the responsive supply chains, there is no chance of a higher lead time because they have to become very responsive to the customer orders. When you select a customer supplier for the firm, in case of the efficient supply chain, they always look at cost as a one factor, and also low quality is another factor. But in case of the responsiveness, cost is not a factor. It's a speed at which the supplier can supply the goods to the firm, and also does he having the flexibility to supply the goods as and when requires. And also quality is an important because customer cannot wait and cannot be replaced to the firms. Therefore, in case of the transportation strategy also, efficient supply chain always looks for low cost models, that is road and rail. In case of the responsive supply chain, they look for the express services, they look for airlines. They do not have any concern for the cost, but they want quicker delivery of the